My name is Elizabeth, and I'm founder of More Than a Open Group. And this is our first outdoor experience, Breathe. And essentially, our mission is to take creatives into safe space to connect, reimagine what the culture sector looks like in a sector that really works for them, and how we actually practice cultures of care. So very excited to go to Shropshire Long Mynd.
Hi, I'm Hannah Adeweti. I'm a videographer, filmmaker, photographer, writer and soundscape designer. I'm here with More Than a Movement because I need a few moments in nature to get back to myself before I start my Black Week. Really excited to meet other Black creators and see what connection happens.
I'm a producer, talent development producer, also a community and creative producer. I'm here today because I love being out in nature. A part of my practice is combining arts and well-being, and also I just want to meet new people and just connect with new creatives.
I'm Marnie, I'm a filmmaker and artist.
I'm Karis, I'm an art student by day, creative by night.
Hello, my name is Adaya Henry. I am a poet, a writer, an actor, facilitator. I also work for a company called Yard, called Maya. And I'm here because I really think being in nature is a beautiful experience. I'm really grateful.
Oh.
Purpose. Somebody new.
Purpose. So you get a purpose. You get a purpose.
1, 2, 3. Give them a purpose. 1, 2, 3. Right, let's go. That was what one.
So, what does a culture of care look like and feel like to you within the creative industries?
I guess paying artists fairly, paying artists the work that they're doing, their work.
Yeah.
And asking them like what they want, what they need to create their work.
I think maybe creative control is a big thing, like having them trust you enough to actually do your job, do your role, and just take reign over that without much micromanagement. Real creative stuff. Like we'll do what we're doing and we can do it competently, so I think that's what care is as well.
I would say to kind of consider accessibility and adaptations to the people that you're working with and around. Really important.
Imagine if you were in a sort of caring, creative environment. What kind of work would that allow you to make? What would you make if you were if that side of your creativity was nurtured?
It'd be like producing events with the community and artists together, like co-creation work. And yeah, what you said about focusing on accessibility, just making sure that everyone is catered for.
I'd say for me it would be to make something that fully encapsulates and represents me as an individual.
How would you make sure that you create the right conditions of care?
I'd bring people together and maybe do some sort of skill swap or skill shares. I think in like the spirit of mutual aid, I create care. I would make sure that there's like advocates. One is like referencing Pussy Palace's like body system. I love that concept of like someone advocate for you, checking you're right. So having that. Also making sure like security is trained in like ethical ways to deal with people, so we're not having like any assumptive or any like prejudice happen. So because that can be also a trigger in causing people to feel unsafe. So making sure authority is like not necessarily authority in sort of
authoritarian style, but more in giving care and making sure that is distributed, mindfulness is given. Yeah, that's what I would think.
I think being in nature really puts into perspective kind of just how little we are in like the grand scheme of things. It makes you realise that you're part of something so much bigger, and it's very life-affirming being in nature. And yeah, I think it's easier to sometimes see the possibilities than when you're in kind of a bit of a concrete jungle.
It's very restorative. It's a Sunday. We start working back. Even our work culture like eases us into work, so our Mondays aren't too hectic. But it's nice to know that I feel very accomplished, and also to meet other creatives. It's funny as well because I'm even processing nature through a creative way, like being here, meeting everybody, seeing the vibes, and thinking, oh, I would love that attribute in a character, and like how beautiful that would look in a different like artistic format. So yeah, I think it's so much.
You today to have been able to bring these creatives out to this space?
So for me, it's really important to actually practice a culture of stewardship and care. I think that sometimes it can be so prescriptive to ask someone to, you know, reimagine a different culture sector, a sector that would work for them when you're in the same environment that's causing harm. So actually for me, I wanted to practice a culture of care by enabling people to actually experience nature, wellness, safety, and really connect in a authentic way, which will allow people to have the room to, one, breathe, two, connect, and then actually imagine as well.
Shared with an emphasis on allowing access to safe and green spaces. You know, being able to generate a healthy level of distance from the reality of things, the chaos of things, things that we find hard, things that also are, you know, things that we find automatic in our day-to-day, so that we can get recentered and get refocused on what's important to us, what's intentional, and what we need to do moving forward. And that healthy distance, you know, we'd like to think cultivates creativity, cultivates growth, a different perspective. And it's really wonderful to see. It's really, really wonderful to see. Volume.